Okay, we are almost to the finish line. Let's find our next problem on our multiplication chart, 2 times 8. And I'm going to slide my finger all the way down and across. 2 times 8, pause the video and think about it. Yeah, it's 16. You got it. Okay, let's do the next one together. Where do your fingers go? On the 3 and the 8. Okay, so let's slide our finger down and across and pause, and I want you to find 3 times 8. Go. Did you say 24? Awesome. Okay, do the next one by yourself. Pause and go. Okay, I think you said 4 times 8 equals 32. Am I right? Nice. Okay, you get to take it from here, 3rd grade. Continue this chart and check it when you're done. All right, see you next time. Bye now.